So, and once we've determined the main part in this structure or frame, let's continue, and begin obtaining the respective detail views. In this first view, we can see the lateral detail of the main part, and in which we can clearly observe the detail of the connection with the purlin or beam, including the bolts, and respective perforations. Now and next to this, we find the front detail view of this column, and in which we can see some additional details. Nonetheless, and if we go to the area of the foundation, we could notice that the plate seems to be too close to the column, in spite of the dimensions being correctly defined. Here we've then the clipping lines properly shown across all these views, and which, as we can see,